Hey guys, it's Petra Forest, and I have not been on here for a long time. And the reason for that actually is some really big life changes. I decided to move away from Colorado and where I'm from, and some of you watching this already know that. But I decided to make a giant leap of faith and move in a new direction in my life to a place I feel like I would be more happy in. Also, there's been a lot going on in the world recently with the Black Lives Matter movement and with wanting to defund the police, and I am in full support of all of that. If I have not been very vocal about it, it's because I've been incredibly busy just trying to get situated in my new life. But full support to everyone who's doing this movement and doing the right thing and trying to help make the world a better place and a safer place for everyone to live in. Much support on my end. So, anyways, this video is not going to be like my other ones. I am letting everyone know I'm moving, and although I miss all of my friends in Colorado, I'm excited for this new venture in my life and moving forward. This video actually today is about me redoing my RV in order to get it to roadworthy so I could be on the road and head to a new state where I could have some place to live where I didn't have something lined up right away. So the rest of this video will just be me, my before pictures, my before footage of the RV because it was sitting in storage for 2 years. It got a lot of damage, and all the work and love I put into it and what my space looks like moving forward. So anyways, I will keep you guys posted, and I hope everyone is safe and well, and I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. So these are the before images before I get started on remodeling this. I used to live in this thing for about 9 months, about 3 years ago, and it's been sitting in storage for almost 2 years. And unfortunately what happened was all the vents busted. So I'll show you what one of the vents looks like. So all of the vents in the RV busted during a hailstorm, I'm assuming, last summer. And it caused some damage. I'll zoom in here. That's water damage, I don't think from the vent, but from a leak on the outside of the RV. But yeah, it's not looking great, but nothing unmanageable. So I don't know what I was thinking with this color. It's very, very bright. And I did that about 3 years ago when I was living in it. We were going for kind of a southwestern theme in here, like New Mexico kind of colors. And yeah, just not really digging it anymore. So I'm gonna be painting everything white in here and making some minor repairs. That's where the table goes, which this set folds out into a bed. And then up here above the cabin is the sleeping area. Not much needs to be done up there, just needs to be cleaned. And here's the cabin where you drive the RV. But this thing is really, really cool. I actually made this on the table itself using decoupage techniques. So I created stencils, I hand drawed everything and painted everything, and it actually came out really, really cute. And I'm really, really still happy with how it turned out. It's like a piece of art. It's kind of hard to see the strawberries, I guess, red on red. But yeah, the table came out really cute. So I'm gonna keep that the way it is, but everything else is going to be white. So a lot of stuff needs to be done, some cleaning, some repairing, some patching up, but this is basically the before shot of everything. And I guess if you guys are curious, I'll just show you what the shower looks like. It actually has a really pretty skylight in there, but ooh, that's gonna need to be cleaned. And I'll show you guys what the bathroom looks like as well. So you come into the bathroom, this also needs to be cleaned, and the tiles down there got pretty warped from the vent also breaking up there as well. So I got some replacement vents coming, but cool old poster that also got severely water damaged, and the little sink. But what I really love about this RV is that it was my home for quite some time, but also this thing has so much storage in it, and for one person hitting the road, it is very spacious. So anyways, I will probably be posting some update shots throughout the course of remodeling this and making it more of a livable space. See you on the next shot. Bye. So here's a quick update of the damage on the back wall of the RV. It ended up being a lot worse than I anticipated when I first looked at it. So this is the full extent of the damage, and yeah, not looking so great. There's also some right underneath the window sill right here. So I peeled off quite a bit of the wall that was damaged and warped from water damage, and I'm gonna try and patch that up. So there you have it. So I just wanted to show everyone a progress shot of what I've done so far. So all these cabinets were laminated wood, and I thought that to make the space feel brighter and also bigger, I would paint them white. So I've done a couple of coats of Kills primer on these, and they look really good so far. I'm pretty happy with the progress. Once I get the final coat on all of this, I'm going to put a interior white paint over it that has enamel in it, so it will be easier to clean and it will look cleaner. Kills always comes out that flat white color. So to give you an example of what the cupboards looked like before, they looked like this. It was that kind of like blondish color wood, and I definitely think it makes a huge difference with it being white. I wish I could show you guys different. I guess I'll just, I don't know, tip the camera over for a second, but it definitely opens the space a lot more. There was a crack on this wall right here, right underneath this window, and that's the patchwork I did on it. Not perfect, but as long as there's not a hole in there and it's not getting more water damage, I'm happy with that. So that looks a lot better. So yeah, it's coming along, and I'm pretty happy with everything in here. And I'll catch you on the next scene. Bye. All right, so here is the final product of my hard labor on this RV. So you're looking at the after, and you guys have already seen the before. So that's my loft area. I didn't do much work to that aspect of the RV. But then you have the door. I painted this all white. On my trip down to Texas, I found this beautiful rug in New Mexico, and I am just super in love with it. And I'm really excited I found it because it matches with a lot with this pillow here that I have, this throw pillow. But there is the finished cabinets that are completely painted white, along with the back of this, the couch area, which also turns into a dinette, but I honestly don't use it that often. I mainly use this white tray here to eat my food on. And then you have the kitchen area. I also found this beautiful arrangement of succulents in New Mexico. They were having like a little farmer's market there, and a bunch of older Hispanic women had some beautiful things to offer. And I did get some amazing homegrown spices as well. So this is where I kind of hang my keys and my face mask. And yeah, so this is all set up. The fridge, I didn't change the color on it. I'm going to zoom in and show you this beautiful picture that my neighbors gave me of their daughter. That's her on her riding horse that she got for her second birthday, which is exciting. This is kind of where I keep my water and all my spices. I didn't do a lot to change the cabinet, but these are some of the spices I got in New Mexico as well. These are dried green chilies, and then these are red green chilies, which are super hot, by the way. But an old Hispanic woman, New Mexican woman, I should say, in New Mexico, made those from scratch. I did update the backsplash of the RV. This is chalkboard paint. I haven't written any messages on there, but I'm sure I will soon. But I finally found a spot to rest, and we were on the road for almost 2 weeks, so I kind of made it more so a home in here. So this is like my meditation nook. This is the back room. This is the room that had the most damage, if you remember from the before photos, and I'll show you guys right now where most of the damage was. It was actually right behind this wall here, so you can kind of see the texturing. It looks kind of like a stucco wall. I know if there's anybody who knows how to do like RV, like cosmetic repairs, I definitely probably could have done better, but I'm really happy with the outcome. If you guys remember, the wall was like peeling severely, very, very bad on that wall. So the fact that it's a fully functioning wall that's keeping out the elements makes me really happy. I brought a couple of my beautiful houseplants with me, and this is kind of turned into my meditation nook slash shrine area. And I'll kind of give you guys a view of what my back window looks like right there. A lot of greenery here in Austin, Texas, which is fun. So yeah, so this is kind of the final product of all of my hard work. And I have another mirror over there and my Om symbol. Not a lot of things that you can bring from home, but my most important things. I love minimalism, so I still don't have much. Didn't have much to begin with, but hey guys, here I am. It me, Pesha Forest. Anyways, I think that about concludes the tour of my tiny RV home and the remodel I did to it to get it to be fully functioning and beautiful and serene like I wanted it to be. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Anyways, have a great day. Bye.